Alright, so this is question 8 from exercise 1G. Find the values of A when the distance between 1A and 3, 5 is root 8. I've got a little diagram over here that you should be able to get a bit of an idea about. There's the point 3, 5, and obviously what we're trying to do is find the point we know when x equals 1. We've got to find the y value that makes the distance root 8, and that could be by coming back down towards the origin or by going further up away from the origin. There are two different possibilities there. Without the diagram though, you can still do the question quite easily. Let's have a look. We'll sub it into our distance formula. x2 take x1. Why am I writing those up the top? That looks a bit funny. Still trying to coordinate my actions this early in the morning. Let's try that again. x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 take y1 squared. Alright, so if we continue here, let's replace what we know. D is root 8. That equals the difference between the x coordinates, 3 minus 1 squared plus 5 minus a all squared. Given that the square roots are equal, the bits underneath the square root will be equal. So I can have 8 equals, and let's simplify that. 3 minus 1 is 2. When I square it is 4 plus 5 minus a all squared. So I've got 4 equals 5 minus a all squared. Favourite rule in maths is the difference of two squares. A lot of you will be tempted to square root at this stage. You'll probably only get one answer if you do that. You have to remember to make it plus or minus 2. To make it easier and save you forgetting that, how do I solve any polynomial? Get everything on one side and factorise. Now that 4 is the same as 2 squared, so I've subtracted 4 from each side. You can see your favourite rule ready to be used. Difference of two squares, so I've got 5 minus a plus root 2. Sorry, plus 2, what am I saying? Oh, forgetting that I'd already written it in the form I want. 5 minus a plus 2. 5 minus a minus 2. Simplify that. This is an example of where we would use our null factor law, where I have two things being multiplied to equal 0. One must equal 0. So 5 minus a plus 2 equals 0. Or 5 take a minus 2 equals 0. This is 7 take a equals 0. Add a to each side to get 7 equals a. This one's 3 take a equals 0. 3 equals a. And we get our two answers. Let's hope that helps. Cheers.